Hello everybody, this is Melissa here from stampwithmelissa.com, and today I'm going to share with you just a super quick video showing how to heat emboss. So I'm using the Simply Succulents bundle, and I've got a card here that is almost complete, but it needs a sentiment. Now I've decided to go ahead and heat emboss the cute little thanks here. So I've got that already mounted on a block, and I want to heat emboss it in white embossing powder so it'll match the card base here. And I figured, why not create a video and show you how to do that. So I've already gone ahead and die cut this cute little border piece, and that's part of the dies here in this bundle. It's this die right here, this smaller one. So I've already gone ahead and die cut that, but now I've got it here. And so how you heat emboss is you actually get this Versamark ink pad, and so what this is it's basically just sticky. Okay, so it doesn't actually have a color to it, but it's just sticky. So what I'm gonna do here is ink up the thanks and then center it right over this tiny label, like so. So if you can see in there a little bit, so that's just it's like a clear sticky ink, right? So I'm gonna close this up, and then I've got some of our white emboss powder here. And I keep mine in these little Tupperware bins just because I think it's a little bit easier to manage. So I'm going to take the lid off, and you want to be careful with this because if this spills, it's a mess. Alright, so I'm going to pick this up, making sure not to touch where the Versamark has gone, and use just a spoon here to put some of this powder on. And then tap it off in there, and you can see that it's stuck to that Versamark. Now, you want to get all these little flecks off, like so. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up and move it to the side because I don't want it to get knocked over or anything. So what I'm gonna do now is I've got our heat tool here. And so I'm gonna turn it on to the second setting and go ahead and heat this up, and you'll get to see the transformation. I'm gonna cut the audio for this part just because it's kind of loud like a hairdryer, so here we go. Alright, so there we have it. There's the cute little thanks there, and it's got just a really nice look there. This white emboss powder really helps it to just kind of pop. So I'm just going to pull in some dimensionals here, and because I want this to sit here and this is already popped up, I'm just going to put a dimensional on this side. And then I'm even going to run a little bit of seal on the other side just to help it stick. And I'll place that right there. All right, and there we have it. So thanks for watching my video today. So you can actually heat emboss small here, or you could do like the whole succulent stamp. You can make it big or small, it doesn't matter. It still gives that same awesome effect. And we do sell different colors. So we do have the white, we have a clear, a gold, and a silver, all for sale. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below, and you can also hit the subscribe button. When you hit subscribe, make sure to turn on the notification bell, and that will send you a notification anytime I post a video, so you can be one of the first ones to see it. So I'll see you next time. Bye!